Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that E2 code on your Black & Decker portable washer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the E2 error code you're finding on your Black & Decker portable washer typically refers to a draining issue. So there's a few different ways how we can go ahead and solve this problem. So fix number one is to check the drain hose at the back of the unit. So make sure the drain hose is not kinked, clogged or blocked. Sometimes the hose may get bent or clogged with lint, soap or other debris. And also ensure that the hose is positioned correctly, meaning it's not higher than the washer's outlet, as this can prevent proper damage. Fix number two is to clean the filter. So the washer may have a filter that needs cleaning. If debris builds up, it can obstruct the drainage process. Locate and clean that filter as instructed in the user manual. Also, we want to go ahead and examine the pump. So the washer may have a malfunctioning drain pump. If you hear a strange noise or if water isn't draining properly, the pump could be faulty. In this case, you might need to replace the pump or check if it's still jammed. We can also try resetting the washer. So to do this, unplug it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This can sometimes clear minor errors in the systems. Inspect the water level sensor. So if the washer's water level sensor is malfunctioning, it may not recognize when the water has drained, triggering that E2 error code. You can check the sensor for signs of damage or blockages. Check for internal clogs. So sometimes internal draining tubes can become clogged with detergent residue or debris. You might need to disassemble parts of the washer to access and clear the clogs. And the last one here, ensure proper power supply. So make sure the washer is receiving the proper voltage and there are no issues with the electrical supply. And if these problems still persist, it may be worth contacting Black & Decker customer support or a repair technician.